refused Alec Baldwin's plea to dismiss the case of Rust manslaughter. Alec Baldwin's attempt to have an involuntary manslaughter allegation related to a fatal movie that is scheduled to shoot in 2021, dismissed by a US judge, was denied. During a practice on the set of Rust, a western being filmed in New Mexico, Halyna Hutchins, 42, was shot with a gun that Mr. Baldwin was using. Joel Souza, the director, sustained injuries in the same incident. In July, Mr. Baldwin is expected to go on trial. Mr. Baldwin has insisted that he just drew back the pistol's hammer and did not pull the trigger. Additionally, he has maintained that he is not responsible for Miss Hutchins' passing because neither he nor anyone else was meant to be on the scene when the gun was used, and he was unaware that it carried live shots. Hannah Gutierrez-Reed, the set's weapons handler, received an 18-month prison sentence in April. The conviction was appealed by her last week. A grand jury in January indicted Mr. Baldwin, 66, on a new charge of involuntary manslaughter following the prosecution's announcement of new forensic evidence. He made a not guilty plea. 2 weeks before the actor's criminal trial was scheduled to start last year, similar allegations against him were dismissed. Earlier this month, Mr. Baldwin's attorneys filed a motion to dismiss the case, charging the prosecution with unethical disparagement and violating nearly every rule in the book in order to get the actor indicted by a grand jury. Alex Spiro and Luke Nickas presented their case to New Mexico District Court Judge Mary Marlowe Summer on May 17th through a virtual hearing. This is a case involving an accident at the very outskirts of criminal law, stated Spiro. He pointed out that the accusations had been dismissed before the state's special prosecutors revived them, stating their intention to humble Mr. Baldwin. Judge Summer rejected the plea in a Friday night ruling, rejecting the claims that the grand jury procedure was biased against the performer. The attorneys for Mr. Baldwin released a statement that read, "We look forward to our day in court.